Just walk me through your place here at Space in My Place, promo code AR4092, Little Rock, Arkansas.
Yeah.
You're Heather.
I'm Heather.
And I'm Noah of Noah Built.
Yes.
Tell me about your living area and
Okay.
your in Space in My Place.
So when you look at any space, when you go to look and you know you're putting money in an investment property, sometimes you can't visually see something and turn it to something that will be right for you.
Right.
Sometimes we just can't visualize it. So when we go in somewhere, we just see walls and we see things. But the thing is that we can do things with these things and we can make it home.
Right.
It doesn't matter where we're at.
Wow.
So I wanted to do color. I want to do pop. I want to do personality. I want lived in. We're home. We're here, and you don't have to feel, that you're misplaced or you're not comfortable. So when you come in here, I apologize. My bed isn't made, but like a light, big, fluffy bed. Everything's super cozy. And then I utilize space. We gotta utilize space, like all these hooks and stuff behind doors, walls.
Right.
Utilize it and color coordinate your outfits to turn it into decoration. You know what I mean? And then like with this place with your sink, I double the amount of space for the sink. So I lifted it up, put a little personality in it, and cleaned it, polished it, and there it is. Things don't have to be perfect. Value the imperfections. Take out the imperfections and make that's why you love it. It is the imperfections.
Well, this is video number 1 from Miss Heather here in Little Rock, Arkansas. We thank you for your input, and we'll tune in next time. You can give us the next step of how to make a house a home at Space in My Place.
I got you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.